Anchoring script for 14th August. Introduction. Anchor 1. Good morning, respected guests, institute teachers, and dear students. Anchor 2. A very good morning to every gathered here to celebrate the spirit of freedom and the essence of patriotism on this auspicious occasion of our Independence Day. Anchor 1. Today, we mark the 14th of August, a day of immense pride and joy for every Pakistani. It is a day when we commemorate the sacrifices of our forefathers and the countless heroes who fought valiantly for the freedom of our beloved country. Anchor 1. Indeed, it is a day to remember and pay homage to struggles and sacrifices that led to the creation of Pakistan. So, let's begin this celebration with the recitation of the Holy Quran. Quran recitation, Anchor 1. To seek the blessings of Almighty Allah, I would like to invite for the recitation of a few verses from the Holy Quran. Recitation of the Holy Quran, Anchor 2. Jazakallah. Thank you for the soulful recitation. May these words guide us towards the path of righteousness and peace. National Anthem. Anchor 1. Now, let's stand in respect for the national anthem of Pakistan. Please praise. National Anthem. Anchor 2. Thank you. You may be seated. Welcome speech. Anchor 1. To officially kick off today's celebration, I would like to call upon our honorable principal to deliver the welcome speech. Please welcome them with a big round of applause. Welcome speech. Anchor 2. Thank you for your inspiring words. Your guidance always lights our way. Cultural performance. Anchor 1. The essence of our Independence Day celebration is incomplete without showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan. Our students have put in a lot of effort to bring to our you some delightful performances. Anchor 2. Absolutely. To start with, we have a patriotic song by our talented choir. Let's give them a big hand. Patriotic song performance. Anchor 1. That was truly moving. Thank you, Joar, for such a beautiful rendition. Anchor 2. Next, we have a traditional dance performer that represents the diverse culture of Pakistan. Please welcome to the dancer with a round of applause. Anchor 1. What a vibrant performance. Our culture is indeed our pride. Speech by guest. Anchor 2. Now we have the honor of inviting our chief guest who has graciously agreed to share their thoughts with us today. Let's welcome them warmly. Chief guest speech. Anchor 1. Thank you for your enlightening words. Your presence and speech have added great value to our celebrations. Anchor 2. To continue with our program, we have some thought-provoking speeches by our students who will share their views on the significance of Independence Day. Let's start with student speech. Thank you for such an inspiring speech. Anchor 2. Up next, we have another student who will share their thoughts. Please welcome them. Student speech. Anchor 1. Thank you for your heartfelt words. Anchor 2. Our students have also prepared a skit that depicts the struggle for independence. Let's give a huge round of applause for their hard work and dedication. Anchor 1. What a powerful performance. It truly brought to life the spirit of our freedom fighters. Anchor 2. To keep the energy high, we now have a medley of patriotic song. Please welcome our next performers. Medley performers. Anchor 1. That was absolutely fantastic. Thank you, performers, for such an energetic presentation. Anchor 2. As we draw our celebration to a close, let's remember that the true spirit of independence lies in unity, peace, dedication towards making our country better every day. Anchor 1. We hope you enjoyed today's program. Thank you all of being a part of this celebration. Let's keep the spirit of freedom alive in our hearts and action. Anchor 2. Pakistan Zindabad. Anchor 1. Long life Pakistan. Kill you. Anchor 2. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.